Right, how would you like free access to a special membership site where you can make your Facebook post go viral? This is a post I did the other day, and as you can see, it's got a total of 222 comments, but that's half of those are me replying back. As you can see here, this is a total you want to go to. 109 comments. Alright, now not only I'll show you the membership site, I'll actually show you how you can get 100 click free solo ad. Alright, so before I get into the video, hit the subscribe, hit the like, and we'll get right into it. Right then, now to get your Facebook post to go viral, you need people to comment. Alright, there's a certain way you need to actually write your ads as well. Yeah, your copy. You do not put a link, any links in your Facebook posts. As soon as you put a link in, Facebook will not show it to anybody. Basically, you might get a few family and friends. That'll be it. It will not go viral with a link in. So you just make a very simple post like this. Have an image, all right, and get people to comment. Now, do not put in your post, do not tell people to comment. Do not use words like that, like comment below or anything like that. That flags up on Facebook. They've got smarter over the last few months. They will actually limit how many people see your post if you start using comments like comment below. All right, so when people comment, send them your offer and then comment back. I always comment back something simple, and I always tag their name. All right, so that's how to get that's the basics. However, there is a site where you can go and kickstart this. Okay, so you can, or maybe if I wanted to keep this post going viral, I can add this post, and it's called comment Dominator. All right, so you come in, you log in. You'll need to create a site. It's a membership. It's free. You just add your name, email address, and they send you a special code to use, so you don't have to pay for anything. I'll leave the links below this video. Anyway, you come in, and you can see there's all of the people have got posts. You add your link. So if I wanted this one boosting, or I want to kickstart it with some comments, I would copy this link from you copy this link here right under your name. All right, you'd add it to the system, and then other people would comment on your post. But before they can comment on your post, you have to comment on at least 5 other people's posts. All right, so you just come in, you comment. So let's do one. Let's refresh this page, make sure these people are still on it. Right, okay. So as you can see here, I've only commented on one post and one post today. I only joined today, so that's why. So click on here. All right. Now click on here to visit the site on the post on Facebook. Okay, so this is Aaron Kennedy, tell Facebook profile to traffic machines. Is promoting traffic. Can't say Nema. We know what I mean. Nemesis. There we go. All right, so I can just post anything I want. Oh, it's got a lot of comments here. Okay, so I'll just put. Now I'll copy this. Okay, I've copied that. Okay, so I can close that out. Come back here and I paste it in here. Simple as that. Paste it in there. Post. Alright. So that's confirmed that I've actually made a comment. All right. So when I come back to here, oops, as you can see, I've got it's totted it up. I've got another post. So do that 3 more times, and then people will start commenting. The system will automatically add my post that I've added, my link that I've added, and people start commenting that, and that helps your post go viral. Just as simple as that. Now, they are bringing out today sometime. They are changing some things so you can actually get paid for doing this, right? It's part of the Traffic Domination network, which is free. It's a Facebook group where you actually get paid to be a member. It's fantastic. I've already earned commissions from it, but they do the selling for you. You just send people to the Facebook group, and they do you do it through a special link, and they do it all the selling for you. It's incredible. But you can, just by doing this a day, you can earn points, and you get put on a scoreboard, and you can actually earn money. Along with other things, there's all sorts. They're adding stuff all the time so you can make money. It's a fantastic group. So even if you haven't got any money for advertising, get involved. It is seriously a good group. Now, your 100 free clicks. You come to the link below. It'll bring you to this Traffic Dominators. Okay. To get your link for the comment domination. Okay. Just come into here. Come into the units first. Okay. Okay. And this is it. Okay, this is the post you want here. All right. This has got the instructions of how to get set up. All right. Now, to get your 100 clicks, 100 free clicks, 100 free solo ad. Let me find it. It's loading up. Okay, coming to. Okay, this is the post you want here. All right, watch this video, then click on this link. I'll tell you how to get all your free clicks. All right. Absolutely fantastic group to be in. You can see here. Whoops! You can see here they have a leaderboard. This will be getting updated today. It's out of date at the moment. And don't worry, you don't have to be a top internet marketer to be on here. I think, where did I come last month? I came 4th. I think it was 4th. Yeah, I came 4th last month. This month, okay, this is the leaderboard here. You can, they're adding stuff all the time. You can get more free clicks. You can win money, and just by gaining points for doing simple things. I had an hour-long conversation with Wayne, the organizer, whose group this is. It's on Skype this morning, and the stuff they are bringing to this is incredible. You are going to hear about this, and there's people who've never made money before in their lives joining this group and making money. You don't know anywhere else where you can actually make money by getting people to join a Facebook group. It's ridiculous. Seriously, if you can't make money doing that, you probably should send it now. Chuck your laptop into the ocean or something, because it's incredible. All right, so get your free clicks. Get onto comment domination. Okay, get your free membership on that. If you get stuck with anything, or you can't find anything in the Facebook group that you need, just contact me and I'll set you up. All right. I look forward to seeing you in the group. 'Cause you're a believer.